I'm Josef. I'm an exterior designer in the MINI design team, and today I show you how to draw a MINI. We are drawing a MINI hatch, so our smallest car, and we're doing the Cooper S. It's always good to get in, drawing a wheel, drawing a second wheel. We are already starting getting the proportions right. Also important, start with the Y0 section. It's like the middle of the car. It's also describing the bonnet, where you go. It's quite helping. The headlamp on the MINI, we have this long hole lens in the middle. See, you're getting a look on the car. You know where the car is looking. Here we're getting the air scoop, because we are working today on a MINI Cooper S. It has an air scoop. We have also a little sculpture on the top of the bonnet. The Cooper S has this intakes for brake cooling. Now we are quite finished with this sketch, and you can be proud if you achieve something you like. But as you see, we are quite black and whitish right now, and MINI is not famous for black and white. It's quite colorful. Now we go one step further, what you would do after a sketch like that. We already digitalized it, and it's already in the program. It's Photoshop, what we are using here at MINI. But now we have a base how we can render this lovely Resolute edition of the MINI hatch. So we are finished on this rendering. I hope you enjoyed the journey from the MINI Resolute edition, from a blank white paper to a complete rendering.
I really need